Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you how to take an assessment. Now an assessment could be a short quiz or even just a few questions to help the teacher check your understanding. So go ahead by opening it up, and the assessment is going to look like this. This is the icon for an assessment. It looks like a puzzle piece. So if I click on this tool here, it's going to ask me, would I like to start my attempt? And I'm going to say yes. Start attempt. And now I can begin taking the quiz. Now it could be a quiz that's multiple choice or short answer, and all I do have to do is click on it and then hit next. So I'm going to continually doing this until we get to the end. Now the nice thing about multiple choice is whether the teacher has set this up, you'll be able to see your results about 2 to 3 minutes after you submit this. So it is not instant. So don't be alarmed if you do this and all of a sudden there is no grade. So here I can say, okay, I want to review maybe if I want to, but when I'm done, I'm going to click finish and hit yes. So now I have my submitted test here, and I can see when I took it, but it is currently pending. So in about 2 to 3 minutes, it will show me my score. Now I can revisit this if I would like to as well. And now the teacher can actually see how I did in this lesson. So again, this doesn't have to be a massive test. Teachers could be using this just for short, maybe 2 question, 3 question, just to kind of see where students are in the lesson. So I hope this video was helpful in learning how to take an assessment.